On this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome error problem. So all what you wanna do is very simple. Just go to the top corner here and click on those three dots as you can see. When you click on it, now click on the settings right here. After that, it will take you directly into the settings page on your Chrome browser. Click on this privacy and security. Click on security right here and make sure to enable the standard protection right here. After that, go back into the privacy and security again, and this time click on this clear browsing data and choose all time, and make sure to check those three options from the browsing history into the cached images and files. Click on clear data and that's it. After that, turn off your computer and turn it on again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.